Here's some smart hacks that will help simplify your life. Did you know that a hairband shouldn't be put on like this? The ears are used to tie back your hair. A simple hack so you're no longer afraid of leaving your car unattended. They look like real people. Use a new rubber glove to protect your toothbrushes when you are traveling. Want an easy, quick French manicure? Try this technique. Traces of foundation cream inside your hat? Attach a panty liner to the inside to solve this problem. Charger cable not working? Dirt, grime, and dust on the contacts could be the cause. Clean the contacts and the cable with a bit of toothpaste and wipe off thoroughly. It works! For more comfortable traveling, attach your backpack and shopping bag to your suitcase. Ingenious! Reuse the handles from a paper bag to make DIY handles for your detergent baskets. Much more handy now. Is your keyring broken? Make a temporary one using a zip tie. Pants too tight? Do this.